Come on along. They tell me to come over here by the toolbox. What are we looking at, boys?
Oil pump.
Oil pump shitto.
Lock up.
Ooh, it locked up and blew the...
That shaft that runs through the motor's fucking toast like that too.
Runs through the motor.
It's from the front cover to run the air compressor on like the back of the motor.
So I should go underneath there with a flashlight and look? Notice I'm not pointing it at you. So what are you telling me? It ain't bearings?
Motor's junk. You gotta take that shaft out, you gotta pull the front covers off, you gotta disassemble the whole motor to change it.
Correct. Okay.
The motor's gotta come out of the truck.
So this is what was tight, not a bearing.
I couldn't move that until I pulled this out. And that's jamming up against. There.
The tolerance is gone, eh? Or something went through it, or... Oh, heavens to Betsy. Well, I'm gonna go look underneath there anyways. Is that okay with you boys? We know that. We know that. A lot of oil underneath there. You got a light underneath there yet, huh? Oh, here we go. I haven't been on a creeper in like a day or two. Here we go. Oh, there's a main. Yeah, that's a main. Oh, bear with me. How do you fit under here, Troy? Of course, it's way in the front, and I came in the back. Dumbass.
You see it better from back there.
Well, I gotta have a light out. I don't quite fit underneath this,
Why not?
because I'm fat. What is this? Oh, tape. Up there. Let me see if I can squeeze my... Okay, let's squeeze my greatness underneath here, Troy. I think I know how to edit because the camera's running. So what are we looking at in there?
Gotta look that way. There's a shaft that runs from here.
Oh, okay, all right, gotcha. So I need to make some phone calls, eh?
And there's a little bit of wah.
So are any of the bearings tight? Nothing's tight. Now you can rack the motor over, is my assumption?
Yeah, we're gonna put the caps back on and shit.
Right. So we'll do that after your little lunch breaky.
Probably.
I can't fit in here. I am just depressed. Or is this creeper? Is just the creeper grew. So I'm hooked on something. Help! Oh, that's my glasses. I got my glasses in the bottom there, Troy. Oh, I ain't gonna fit. I can't see in there, but I'll have to look through the camera later. That'll show me everything. Oh, do you need some more light?
I can't tell. I can't see it.
So what would you call that shaft?
I don't know.
Well, that's
Oil
the
pump
oil
drive.
pump drive. It's got to be.
Here, take a second.
That comes off the. Okay, gotcha.
And it drives the air compressor.
Sure.
That gear's
Okay.
missing teeth up there. That was driving the oil pump.
Okay. So we might be just looking for a used motor rather than rebuilding this thing. We'll see.
I don't know.
All right, I'll make some phone calls when I'm ready. Okay, I'm out. That's not a good sign. You know that's not a good sign at all. Why don't I go out this way? It's got a lot more clearance. Oh, it's been a while since I've been underneath one of them. That's what you guys... Oh, I knocked over that main. Sorry. Oh, anybody gonna help me up? Yeah, you. Well, that kind of sucks for them. You're gonna eat some more. Look at that. Are them hard boiled?
Okay, I forgot to censor.
He forgot to censor that.
She said they are.
All right, bye. So, hey guys, after further review, come here, I gotta show you this. So after further review, this is Emma. She combs my beard for me. So after further review, what you just saw is the auxiliary shaft that goes from the front timing case cover to the air compressor with a broken gear in it. And when I talk to my friends, I have one besides Emma, but she don't talk back. She just bites me in the beard. So what is the probability of what happened is that somebody did some work on a turbo, and or the turbo fell apart. According to the professionals, 9 times out of 10 something let go in the turbo, came down directly. This is E7 420 E7 Mack engine. The something either was left in or whatever came down through that turbo return down into the gear and went and locked it up. So likely the turbo just went to shit. And so then the boys, after I left and came back after some emergency crises, would you stop? Yeah. Stop. So after that, they took the mains off, and 2 or 3 or 4 of the, I think it was rods, partially spun. And so it looks like the crank at the minimum has to come out and get polished. We can get a new auxiliary shaft, we can get a new oil pump, we can get all that, but it looks to me like I have to talk to the customer, but it looks to me like the engine has to come out and get fully remanned, because the crank will have to come out and get polished. So that means we need to pull it out. So that's the end of that video. So thanks for watching. Keep your stick on the ice. Say goodbye. See ya, Emma. Bye.